For those with smaller brain power than you, what is string theory?
That's a great question. And in fact, very famous string theorist Joe Polchinski wrote a very influential paper called "What is String Theory?" decades after string theory started being a popular theory to think about. And the fact is, we still don't know yet. It's an approach. You start with a very simple idea that instead of the universe being made of particle-like things at the fundamental level, like the electron being a point-like particle, the photon, et cetera, which we all knew wasn't exactly right anyway, but we can talk about that later, replace that with a little loop of vibrating string. Now, why would you do that? There's a prehistory that goes into features of the strong interactions that motivated people to do it. They looked at this idea, what if the world were made of little loops of string rather than point particles? Problematically, the theory kept failing at what they were trying to do with it, which is explain the strong nuclear force, because it kept predicting the existence of gravity. So eventually people said, well, wait a minute, gravity exists. Maybe this is a theory of gravity as well. And after many, many years of hard work on the part of people who were otherwise ignored by the community, they showed that it's actually a very successful theory of gravity and possibly everything else. You have to buy a lot of extra stuff, like extra dimensions of space-time that we don't see and so forth, what is called the holographic principle, which again, we could get into if you want to. But the theory keeps moving forward while at the same time utterly failing to connect directly with experiments. So this has caused, a lot of hair pulling among the physics community. The theory looks very promising, but we haven't actually been able to put it to work to connect to the real world.